Hello, I'm Alice Rhodes. Today I'm here to share an unboxing video of this cute dragon boy, Erda. He is a BJD from the brand Fairyland. He is part of their Fairyline, which is their more fairy tale-esque characters. I ordered him from Denver Dolls. He came in a rather large box. Just ignore the mess. His box was dented on the bottom, but everything seemed fine. I don't know what caused that, if I didn't when I was unboxing it, or if it just happened in transit. And it came in 2 separate packages. And there's the little card from the thank you card from Denver Doll. I like to order from Denver Dolls. I like their layaway process. I think it's very simplified, which makes it a lot easier to work with, and I like the look at their website. Now, to unbox the doll, the first box just has the top part of the body. Here's his certificate of authenticity. Okay, and they just have a little booklet showing how to string the dolls. So this box just has the top half of his torso. He's stringed pretty well. I don't think I really will need to adjust anything. There's nothing in that. There's just an extra bubble wrap, but the other one has the sleeping head. I went ahead and ordered that as well. It was wrapped up pretty tightly. But you can get a bit of a close-up of his face. Then I opened the second box, which is just the dragon legs. Yeah, this was not a great setup. I have a completely different setup for like my whole craft section and unboxing stuff. This is kind of an old video. But they have the dragon legs just in a separate box, just wrapped in bubble wrap. It still came really securely, so not too much complaint. I kind of wish it had its own like brand box like the bodies do. But I get it would be a lot to create a whole new box rather than just using the same box they use for everyone. See, they had it wrapped pretty well. It was tightly around each leg. And there, you restring or anything. It's all set in stone, so there's no adjusting any of it. And it does move really well, and I love all the little details. It makes me really excited to blush and paint it whenever I do get to it. It was part of what sold me on this was all the details of the scales, how they're all carved out like that. And then the tail is just a separate piece, just one piece, and it connects by a magnet. I kind of wish it was in separate pieces so you could pose the tail a bit better, but I get the simplicity just with all those scaled details to just have it in one piece. There he is together, and he has that little hook to hook the torso on. Which really wasn't too difficult to get hooked on. But I did have to do it off the camera. And then getting in this torso to sit right in his body, it was a bit annoying, but after a little adjusting, it was fine. Eventually, I would like to carve and add more scales across his body, maybe with some paper clay, and then also make him some horns. But I am nowhere to that level of skill that I trust myself doing that on this, so he's gonna be blank for a while. Yeah, the eyes he came with were also really boring, so I'll probably want to order new eyes for him, some with like sparkles or something. But he is standing up. He stands on his weight really well, so that's nice. Here's comparison to my other BJD and then a Rainbow High doll. So he's just an MSD size, but a little taller due to the dragon legs. And then I just took some pictures outside because now he's going to go up in a box until I feel confident enough to make anything out of him, which will probably be a while. But that's it. That's my second BJD I've ever bought. I'll probably share other ones if I get more.